information. You know what? I'll do a quick recap, theoretically quick. So in Ada County, you're going to get more than you would in Canyon County. It's about $150 difference between the two counties. And then 23 days versus 16 days.
Yeah.
So 23 in Canyon versus 16 in Ada.
Both. We're seeing that increase about the
Oh,
same.
okay. So it's important to have all your roommates on a lease, and that way, if somebody jumps, then they're still responsible. So litigation is crazy. So make sure that you have an attorney, make sure that you have all of the paperwork, proper paperwork. A good lease agreement is super important. Make sure you know the law. So just remember that you cannot charge for support animals, but you can charge for pets. So it is a good idea to consider allowing pets so that you can charge for them. Let's see. Online systems makes it easier to collect rent. So you're not going door to door to collect rent. Water alarms are a thing and encouraged. Helps you know if you have a leak and maybe do some great prevention. There is still rental assistance available. I think there's quite a bit of it.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And
We have seen pretty much, I don't know of a tenant that hasn't reached out and not gotten assistance with a valid reason.
right. Yeah. Let's see. Encourage email communication so that you have documentation. And again, make sure that you have a strong lease. Do you have a property manager? If you need one, make sure you review the reviews on Google and on the website. Compare prices, do your research, look at the pros and cons. What's going to work best for you is not necessarily going to work for another person. So make sure that you're a good personality match. And then as far as improvements, capital improvements, upgrades like that will, let's see, I lost my place. Capital improvements will get you like 100.
I would say about $200.
$200.
Rented.
Okay.
Granted, both of those numbers are plateaued or slightly going down, but you're still getting $200 more on a renovated unit than you would be.
All right.
On it.
And upgrade wise, it's going to take you 3 to 5 years to get that paid off. Okay. Remember that the exterior is important as well. And if you have a one-piece tub or shower, keep it because those are gold.
No mold will grow.
No mold.
In that area.
Another thing that I just thought about the roommate thing, a good way to also combat that is we won't let a roommate off the lease unless there's a $0 balance. So that way they're starting fresh and stuff. They're not holding a balance and tapping forward a roommate. They're in the whole $1,000. Another roommate's like, "What moved out?" Well, it's like, "Well, you're still on the lease because you didn't do a roommate addition, so you're not liable." But yeah, having them have a $0 balance before they depart ways is another good way to combat that. So,
Perfect. So advertising, consider doing virtual tours and using wide angle lenses. The new iPhones do a great job. And if you have a website, make sure that it's up to date. And Zillow is #1 for leads. All right. I think that's everything.